As in Sanatana Dharma of Hindu, the Lord Krishna had romance with so many female friends. Nowadays, in the cinema field, no doubt it is a glamorous and an attractive cinema field. As improvements in the technology, sex education is very important. But the social barriers, which are caste, religion, and different countries, and health problems are also innumerous, and medicines are not available, and the economic conditions are different. So, sex is prohibited in our country, India. Among 23 different tissues and organs can be donated. The important are corneas, heart valves, trachea, skin, kidneys, heart, lungs, liver, pancreas. Up to 70 years of the age, one can donate. And for the transplantation, the time factor is the limitation. In India and in China, the population is very high. So, sex problems are very less in number. The land is very important for food. Lady is important for new generation. Ovaries produce ova, that is called eggs. If they fertilize, they grow into babies. The ovaries also produce chemical messengers, hormones, which travel through the blood streams and prepare the uterus, that is called womb, to receive these babies and prepare the breasts to feed. The vagina provides a passage for sperm from the male to be deposited during intercourse and a pathway through which fetus is born. They also produce moisture acids to prevent infection. The important parts of the vagina are fallopian tubes, top of the uterus, womb, ovary, muscle wall of the uterus, endometrium lining, cervix, vagina, under vagina, pubic hair, clitoris, urethral opening, vagina, labia majors, labia minora, perineum, and between the age 13 to 50, one can conceive. Ovulation occurs once in 4 weeks. Ovulation is the release of the ovum by the ovary, from which it is quickly gathered up by the fallopian tubes and gently pushed towards the uterus. If the ovum encounters a sperm within 24 hours, it will be fertilized. Generally, the menstruation, it will take from 21 days to 28 days. And the problems, general problems are painful periods, heavy periods, missed periods, pre-menstruation tensions, vaginal discharges and waters, itching and scratching, urinary problems, pains with intercourse. So, the gynecological checkups are very important. Under gynecological disorders, endometrius, fibroids, ovarian cysts, prolapses, retroversion, infertility, uterus cancer, breast cancer, and removing Garbhasanchis, etc. are there. For many of them, operations can be done within the hospitals and medicines are there for fertilizations.